Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So my recent blacklight pour did not turn out under blacklight, but it still ended up looking pretty cool. However, I still wanted to do a blacklight pour, and I still think it could look really cool. So for this one, I'm going to do it on a black background with white, neon yellow, neon orange, and kind of more of this darker neon orange. They call it fluorescent pink, but it really doesn't look pink no matter what you do. So I'm going to start by putting black down on the edges, and then we'll go from there. I turned on my light just for a little bit because I find it easier to tell if I've got all the sides covered if I have a little bit of light, so it'll be off in a second. You know what? Instead of the tree ring pour I was going to try, I think I want to try an open cup pour. So I'm going to put this cut open cup in the middle. Actually, I may put it over here and then have it go that way. We'll see. And do like a puddle of black and then start to do the other colors and see if they'll come up underneath. This is going to be difficult to film because it doesn't want to focus on the black. So just bear with me until I can get some color in there. This is looking so cool. I'm going to use my torch and see if I can get any more cells to come up. I am a little disappointed that I had to pour off so much, but I needed to get the paint to stretch enough to cover all the corners, and also I didn't want to leave a ton right in the middle. Super interesting. I don't see any white, though actually some of this kind of purple looking color could be white peeking through. It's hard to tell when the black light's on because white often takes on the color of the light, which is more purple. I'm going to let this sit for a little while. We'll take a closer look, and then I will do the reveal under regular lighting. It has been a few minutes now, so let's take a closer look. It's always hard to get it to focus in black light, so I'm sorry about that. We have tons of these cells all the way through here, and I just think they look like they're on fire, like there's lava behind it. Oh, it's so cool. And let's just carve down to here. Gosh, I wish I'd gotten more of these colors. I'll have to try again and see what I can get. And coming through here, there's some cells down here. A little bit more of that kind of greenish blue, which is so funny. I didn't put either green or blue, but I think that must be the yellow and the white. And then there's like this ring of cells through here. And some kind of glow up here. So let's see what it looks like under regular light. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, it's kind of blowing out the colors. One sec. There we go. Oh, this is so cool. It doesn't really want to focus on one area, but let's go ahead and look closer at this one. Start up here again. Doesn't matter what time of day it is that I film, you can hear those geese outside all the time. So you can see all these cells through here. So cool. And this looks just as neat under regular light as it does under black light. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And these little cells, and in here. And this corner actually looks just as cool under regular light too. Going up through here. Sorry, it doesn't really like that color. Oh, and here's that kind of ring of cells. Wow. And they're just barely under there. You can see some of that orange that was glowing through under the black light. I'm so glad that I tried that open cut pour. It gave us so many cool cells. I'm excited to see this one dry. As always, I'm always kind of interested to see how they'll look. I'm sorry, this color just is not matching correctly on my camera. That's closer to true life. Okay. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. How do you feel about these blacklight pours? I'm really into them lately, obviously, but do you enjoy them? Is there anything you'd like to see under the blacklight? Any certain type of technique? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. It really helps me out a lot if you subscribe, and especially if you give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.